I just got done tanning these really awesome little chamois skins. Came out super white, super soft. In this video here, I'm going to show you exactly how I got it done with a very simple 10-step process.
Look at me falling for you, babe. This could be all you wanted. I've been dancing around this feeling since you came around. I've been dancing around.
Cool, so I've been fleshing these hides now for about 15 odd minutes. And I'm pretty much done. It's actually not slow. And I just want to show you, I don't know if this camera will pick it up, but it's sort of shaved all the way down to where you can see the hair follicles on the other side. And that's really what you want. Alright, so the next step, I'm going to come through and grab a bunch of non-iodized salt and rub it all the way through the hide. The reason you do it is because you need the salt to draw out the moisture. It's moisture and heat that causes bacteria, and if you have bacteria growth on the cape, it'll cause the hair to slip, so like all the hair will start falling off in bits and pieces. So if you can remove that, you should be in good stead to carry on the rest of the process. You want to be super generous with the application of salt, and I'll show you what it looks like as we get on.
In the sky to stop you. I've been dancing around this feeling since you came around. I've been dancing around and feeling 10 feet off the ground. Your love is all I ever wanted. Your love is all I've been dancing around this feeling. I've been dancing around this.
We'll leave them there for about, I would say probably just overnight, and then I'll come through tomorrow and have a wee look, and most likely 99.999% chance I'll chuck another bunch of salt on, do the exact same process. Cool, so second day now. I've let these capes sit overnight and a lot of moisture has come out, and I'm just going to reapply the salt. Cool, there's our two little hides, we'll let them sit. And then we'll check on them tomorrow. Sweet as. So moving on to the pickle. Basically just prepare the hide for tanning. It opens up the pores within the cape and allows for better absorption of the chemical that you're going to use. But it also helps kill any bacteria and keep hair on the cape. So it's just one of those things that's part of the process, and it's pretty important.
Try to organize my mind while the world falls behind. Slow waltz around the sun. Every year reveals a change. Looking back now, feeling strange. We all learn to be someone. What happens next? What happens next? Won't pretend to know. What happens next? I heard you say to love is to let go. down for a friend. What's the one rule we forgot? Say the story or the plot, something new is
Alrighty, so the skins are ready. They've been in this pickle for just shy of 4 days. Definitely ready to come out. These are very thin, small skins, so they don't need that long. Yeah, so I'm pretty much just gonna take these out. Whoa. Alrighty, so to put the raincoat on, it's raining out there and I had to reflesh those skins as they came out of the pickle. There was still a bit of stuff on them, so yeah, they're looking pretty good now. Watch out, Ray. I've just got them here, so yeah, super thin, super stretchy, clean hides now, so perfect condition for them to go into a tan.
wiser man would tell you how to settle down when you're stranded in the clouds.
So I've been sitting here just over 12 odd hours, just about done. So I'm going to grab the baking soda, and as per the instructions of this tan, just slowly add it and then test the pH till it's a 5. You sort of want to add this gradually. Give it a bit of a test, see where we're at. Alright, so I have taken the hides out of being neutralized and wring them out just with my hands, stretch them a little bit, and then I've just got both of them sitting on these posts, and they're just going to sit here, drain naturally for an hour or two, and then I'm going to, just to speed up the process, chuck them in a towel, and that will dry them just a little bit, but there'll still be moisture in there, and I'll chuck the start painting the oil on them. So I've got the hides here, and I've just grabbed them from outside, they're not super wet, but they are quite moisty, so I want to take a little bit of moisture out before I chuck the oil on. I'll lay it out on the towel and then just roll it. I can actually put both on. Ideally you just want one towel per skin, should be fine. Alright, so I got the skins in here. The towel. So yeah, here they are. I use this piece of ply just because it's super easy. I think a frame is better because it's got better airflow to dry the hide on either side. But this works fine. I've never really had any major issues with it, so why change it? Start at the bottom and just keep stretching it around, keep nailing them in. I'm just going to use staples just because it's real fast, it's real easy. So
there's a girl in the southeast that looks like her mom. You should hear her singing when she thinks she's alone. Calm as the whisper of the pine needle trees.
now I'm going to use this Lubri stretch stuff, and I'm going to try that out. It's just an oil that you brush on, and yeah, hopefully it'll bring back some softness, some more stretch to it. I'm pretty excited to see the results.
Hangs her hat on the mirror and hope by the door. Stares out the window and hums at the storm. Searching for answers.
So these are going to dry. There's no real set drying time for these. It's really temperature, weather dependent, that sort of thing. In my opinion, you don't really want them to dry super fast because you want to be sort of stretching them as they dry. That's going to be the easiest way to sort of break them in. There's something to be said about sewing up holes in a hide when it's raining. And anyone that's done it can probably vouch that it's pretty relaxing.
You always find another way in.
So I've just come back from work and I go away a couple of days at a time, so yeah, I wasn't here to stretch these out as they were drying, but I'm pretty happy with actually the condition I've come back to see them in. Yeah, these look awesome already. You can leave the edges on if you want and just keep working them and get them soft and stuff, but yeah, personally I might end up just doing a wee cut, and this is just this is just going to be quite rough. Carry on. That'll be me. I'll be happy with that shape. So I'll go ahead and cut that off. It just needs to be broken in. But man, it's pretty cool though.
I know this life gets so heavy, so I'll carry it with you. And I know you'll carry me too. And we'll be home wherever we roam. No, I don't need a castle in Columbus. Don't want a chateau in Chicago. 'Cause here the sunrise view will always be new. Each morning when I wake up with you. Someday we'll have our own acre or two. We'll have a garden and a shed for your tools. But for now there's no rush, 'cause we still got so much left to see.
Soft as a blankie. I've only been breaking this one in here for about half an hour and very, very happy with how soft these come out, to be honest. I'm super happy with these. So yeah, that's pretty much it. Follow these steps and you'll get yourself a pretty beautiful little hide that'll look good on any carpet or concrete, wherever you want to chuck it.